Hello everyone, I'm ErrorSlaya. Today I'll show you how to block an email address in Gmail. First, open an email from the address you want to block. If you've deleted the email or haven't yet received any emails from the address you want to block, that's fine. I'll show you a different method. After opening the email, click on the three dots on the right and select Block. Click Block again. As you can see, I received a warning message that it was successfully blocked. Now I will show you the second method. Click on the settings icon in the top right corner. Click See All Settings. Click Filters and Blocked Addresses. Here you can see the Gmail addresses you have previously blocked. To block a new address, click on Create a New Filter. In the From section, type the address or addresses you want to block. If you are going to block more than one email address, separate the addresses by placing a comma. After typing the address, click Create Filter. In this tab, check the box that says Delete It and click Create Filter again. From now on, all emails from the email address I wrote will be automatically deleted. I hope you found the tutorial video on how to block an email address in Gmail helpful. If so, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video. Have a good day.